In this tutorial, we are gonna looking at exporting data-driven pages as PNG with high resolution. So I have opened one ArcMap project, and I have built also the data-driven pages for 19 buildings. And as far as we know, it is that if we try to export this set of map into PNG or JPEG, we no longer have the option of exporting the pages. So for doing this, the first step that we are gonna try it is to search in Google about export data driven pages. We have also the option of ArcPy, but let's take the first one, and automatically Google will send us into official documentation. And in the official documentation, we are gonna scroll down. Okay, seems like I have a low connection. Okay, it's open. On the official documentation, we are going to scroll down in the end, and here we have the step 3, which says that copy this text and paste it into Python window. So practically, if we copy this text here and if we paste this text right here, automatically ArcMap will export all pages into PNG. However, we are gonna manipulate a little bit this script, because this script will export into default resolution. So we don't want a default resolution. The default resolution, it is a 96, and we want a better resolution. So for having a better resolution, let's check this function. This is the function that export the map. The for loop loop through all data-driven pages and export per each page, export into a single PNG file. Now let's take a look to this function. Just copy and pasting into Google, and automatically will show us the first official documentation. And here we have the syntax and the parameters of this function. So these are the parameters, and all the parameter that we need, it is the resolution. If we read here, we see that the default value, it is the 96, but we don't want a 96 resolution. So let's copy this. On the end, as always, on the end you have an extensive usage of this this function, but for this purpose we need just this resolution. And because I don't want to make the video so long and to get the video annoying, so after the PNG we are gonna put a comma, and we are gonna paste our resolution and make it equal to 300. So now if we copy and paste this one, this will automatically export all our pages into 300, but we are gonna modify also the path, because we don't have the same path that ESRI is using. So let's take this PNG path, and let's paste this path here, and here we have. Now let's copy everything here. This is our final script, and let's copy everything here and let's paste into our ArcMap environment. Let's clear what testing I have done before. Now we see that the mouse, it is on loading time, so means that everything is being exported into our directory. Here we have the first PNG, second PNG, and so on. So into description I have extended a little bit this this script, so you will have the export of using the name will be the same as the IDs here, not as not as feature ID or page count, because if we see here we have the names as page count. So to modify the name, I have extended a little bit this function, but it will be really easy to understand, and you will find it into description how to extend also to export all the maps with not with the page number but with the page name, which will be same as the data driven page names. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye.